Good afternoon. Hope you guys are doing good. And today, my name is Anshul Das, and I prepare videos on IBS related awareness and even on fitness. And today, I'm going to discuss about the topic which is known as power of prayer during Corona times. So we all pray every day, and most of people take this very good advantage of this facility which is giving to human beings to pray. I just want to share few things like which will add more enlightenment for the praying. So this is again about the universal spirituality principles. So if we talk about the word pray, and I have read this in a book which is known as Laws of Spirit Word. So in the word pray, there is a word ray, and ray is light, and ray is the light. It's a beam of light. So whenever we pray, the pray goes to the higher realm in form of ray, and it reaches to the angels sitting there. They are constantly watching us and constantly listening to our prayers. Now it depends upon the intensity of the emotions which we are watching or praying. Hey Pradeep. So if a person is praying with strong intensity, that means that person ray is very bright. And if a person is doing pray with a light intensity, that means a person has got really light ray. Hey Pradeep, thank you. Hey Pralin, thank you. So pray is very important. Pray has a word ray in it, and when we pray, the intensity of this ray is decided by the way we pray. Thank you, Pralin. You too keep going and keep healing, and you also writing good things now. You have your journey has started, man. You are now towards the beginning of superb health. Don't worry. So coming back to the topic. So power of pray. Thank you very much. So the more intensity we put into our pray, it's like more intensity of ray we are sending to the higher realm. Our angels are sitting there and constantly looking at the rays. The more intensified the rays are, the more intensified becomes the focus of these angels on our prayer. Sometimes it happens that our prayers are not being answered. Sometimes we think, or not being listened. It's because the angels want us to make the most correct decision. And when I talk about most correct decision, it is about the correct decision of the soul. A decision which will help in strengthening of the soul is the most correct decision. It may be something which is not acceptable to this world. It may be something which is not even coming in the standard of this world, but angels want to answer all those prayers which will make a person's soul really strong. So I would say that if you pray, then you don't pray for making your problems easily resolved. Hey Avinash, you pray for strengthening of your soul, you pray for guidance, you pray for acceptance, and you pray that may I have the best decision making capability. Hey Avinash. So if prayer are done with most humbleness and with no desired outcome, rather the intelligence or the guidance or the wisdom to be asked in prayer, then the prayer becomes more enlightened. Thank you, Avinash. And the greatest prayer is to pray for the healing of other person. This prayer has got the highest and highest intensity. So if we pray, we should pray for others, because this pray will go to the higher realm in form of ray, and that will be taken back by the angels sitting there, and healing will be sent to those people in difficulty. So that's why the greatest pray is to pray for others. And for a person, the greatest pray is to pray for asking the wisdom or the courage and the capability, thank you Vinash, or the capability to make the correct decision. It should not be focused on like, please help, please remove this obstacle from my path, please I am feeling shameful, please I am feeling so helpless. No, pray for strengthening, pray for accepting, pray for continuing. So this is the most important power of pray. And when I am talking about pray, then soul will come into discussion, and when we talk about soul, spirituality is going to come in discussion. Everything in his human birth is all about getting the soul stronger and stronger every day. And spirituality is one of that direction which makes the person to decide the course of the action. The power is lying within us, each of us, and we have our inner guide sitting into us. It's just about some situations happening that sometimes awakens the inner guide into us. We also sometimes need mentors which can help us to buy the time, because sometimes we have that inner mentor but our mind is not strong enough, or maybe more egoistic, to accept that inner mentor guidance. So in that case, we all need mentors. And I would say that if you see me, that I am saying this with confidence, I definitely got my mentor and my Gurudev, who gave me this supreme intelligence. Then believe in yourself. Mentors can make your life amazing. They can make you buy the time, and the life is very precious. Each single minute of it is very precious. I would say that we know, I am saying that I do procrastinate things, but it's always better to work on the things you really want to achieve. If even it's your health goal, even it's your financial goal, or even it's your family goal, even if your happiness goal. So work on these goals, and these goals will become more clearer if you are able to connect with yourself at least for 20 minutes in a day. Self-reflection is one thing which makes absolute amazing results. A person who is able to self-reflect for 20 days, 20 minutes, and for 1 month will feel the difference. He will feel that he has become more enlightened. He will stop complaining. He will accept the challenges of the life as it is. He will stop moaning, whining, and bitching. That's what our Gurudev says. He is the amazing source of inspiration for me, and I would say that whoever sees me as an inspiration, then they should also find their mentors in life. They should not stop from here. So spirituality, the pray, and the power of yourself, power of self-reflection are certain things which we can connect every day and make our life better and better. So I would take a leave now. Hope my intention got clear. Please do pray for others in Corona times, because prayers are the strongest form of rays which we can send to universe, and they will be reflected back by the angels sitting there, and in form of healing to these suffering people. God bless you. Take care.